find no peace of mind. I said, how do you live as a fugitive down here where I cannot see so clear? I said, what do I know? Show me the right way to go. And the spies came out of the water. And you're feeling so bad.
Hi, my name's Nathan Silsby, and today I'm just going to go over a few things you need to know about the new NRS Sherpa Backpack system. This backpack system is going to be really good for hiking out and hiking into remote rivers such as Linville or Toxaway or like Upper Cherry Creek in California. So first of all, you're just going to lay your kayak down, cockpit facing down to the ground. You're just going to get the flat part here on the backpack system and lay it down against the hull of your boat. And then you just want to lay the straps according to where they're going to buckle.
Wait to see that no one is free. We're all fugitives. Look at the way we live down here. I cannot sleep from fear, no. I said, which way do I turn? Oh, I forget everything I learned. And the spies came out of the water. And you're feeling so bad, 'cause you know that the spies hide.
So another great feature on this backpack system is these zippered pockets. So you don't even have to stop to get a snack. You can have like a fit of power bar or good old raisins and peanut, crayons, retainer, jelly beans. So I hope that helps with some of the stuff you need to know when dealing with the new backpack system from NRS, and enjoy this video from Linville and Toxaway.
Feeling so good, 'cause you know that those spies